So you may or may not be familiar with the term revenge porn, and you certainly may not be familiar with Charlotte Laws. Charlotte Laws is the activist and the mom who's been called the Erin Brockovich of revenge porn. She single-handedly dismantled the self-proclaimed empire of pure evil that earned Hunter Moore the title of most hated man on the internet from Rolling Stone back in 2012. Activist and mother Charlotte Laws joins me now. Charlotte, thanks for joining me, and I want to bring everybody up to speed again with this term revenge porn, or as you call it, cyber rape, because it got its name, and the subject matter is from angry exes who then upload compromising photos to a website for the purpose of cyberbullying. However, sometimes photos have been hacked from people's computers, and that's what happened to your daughter. So we know the one hand, the angry exes who give away content, but explain about how hackers, like the situation that happened to your daughter, were able to get these compromising photos.
Well, the hacker, with respect to my daughter and with respect to hundreds of people throughout the country, he was basically gaining access through Facebook, and he would get into somebody's Facebook account and then get into their email account, and he was being paid by Hunter Moore for photos. I mean, that's what Hunter Moore has publicly said, that he pays hackers for these photos. So people are being humiliated, hurt. The people on the website then harass the particular individual who's a victim on the site and try to get her fired from her job, trying to ruin her life, essentially. So it's really a horrendous thing that happens. It
really is, and a lot of parents, they need to be aware of this as we continue to raise more kids who are tech savvy or who are learning to be tech savvy. I know that you helped get a law passed in California to protect victims of the revenge porn industry, and there's also an FBI investigation currently pending right now. So what would you tell people who are going through something similar right now, how they can protect themselves, and then also, for your daughter's example, how they can overcome when something happens like this to them?
Well, you have to really be vigilant as far as going after these websites. It's very difficult. What we need to do mainly is to push for legislation, and what we need is federal legislation. I'm very encouraged because this issue has really gotten out there, and so many people are aware of it now, and we have legislators in various states who have proposed legislation, New York and Wisconsin and Kansas and Maryland, and I've been talking to Barbara Boxer's office about bringing something forth for the entire country, which would be excellent because, first of all, it would be consistent from state to state. And second of all, you could get around Section 230 of the Communications Decency Act, which currently protects the website operator. So under state law, you can only go after the person who submits the photo if you get a state law passed. But a federal law, you could do a lot more to really protect regular people from this horrendous crime that's being committed against them.
Cyber protection activist and diligent mom, Charlotte Laws. Charlotte, great to have you on. Thanks for your time. We're going to be right back after this.